everyone. Today we are going to be using some very interesting colors. Take a look at these. You may start recognizing what they are. They are all glow-in-the-dark paint, and I also have a glow-in-the-dark white. The glow-in-the-dark paint comes from folk art, so they're just craft paint, but I thought they'd be a lot of fun in combination with the tool that we're going to be using today. So let me go ahead and take these off and show you what that's going to be. It's a tool that you occasionally see people use, not really often, but today it's going to be glow in the dark. And are you ready? This is a mini dustpan. Because we're working in a small area, we're using a small dustpan. If you're using a very large canvas, you can use a large dustpan, but we're using a small one for a smaller canvas. So we need to start layering our colors. We may also use some regular titanium white, but we are going to begin with our colors. Okay, so here's our pan and we're ready to begin our pour. We're going to pour down this side and then the next. What I have noticed is I've got some pretty colors on my hands because there's a hole in the back of my dustpan. So probably should have taped that off but didn't. Okay, and here we are. Ready? I think we're going to go ahead and we are going to refill this dustpan. Look how pretty that is. We're going to go ahead and refill it, starting with white, green, blue, orange, yellow, light pink. Okay, that one looks sort of like Pepto-Bismol, but that is perfectly okay. This is a neutral. And I'm going to add my titanium white to it. And I think we actually have enough. So I am going to go ahead and I am going to go back down the middle. Make sure I have enough. And then down the side. Oh, cool. Neat. A little bit more. I'm probably going to pour off on that side. Pretty cool. Really cool dustpan. Okay. And I'm just going to, not too much lighting. Okay. Going to make for some really interesting skins that are left over from this one. Okay. We're going to torch. Okay, so here it is, and let me get you a close-up of this.